Hello everyone, welcome to Slow English UK. Today, I will tell you a simple story about my first week in the UK. It was an important week. It was an emotional week. It was a confusing week. When I arrived in the UK, everything felt new. The streets were different. The houses looked different. Even the air felt different. During my first week, I felt three main emotions: excitement, fear, and confusion. Let me explain. On my first day, I was excited. I thought, this is a new beginning, a new country, a new life, new opportunities. But on the second day, I felt nervous. People spoke very fast. The British accent was not easy for me. Sometimes I understood 70%. Sometimes I understood only 30%. When you understand only 30%, you feel small. You feel lost. I remember going to a supermarket. I wanted to buy simple things: milk, bread, and eggs. But even this felt stressful. I did not understand some labels. I did not know the brands. I did not know where things were. At the self-checkout machine, I felt pressure. There were people behind me. They were waiting. I was slow. In that moment, I thought, maybe this is too difficult. But something interesting happened in that first week. Every day, I understood a little more, just a little more. On day 3, I understood more than day 1. On day 5, I felt more confident than day 2. Nothing changed suddenly. There was no magic moment. Improvement was slow, but it was real. At the end of my first week, I realized something important. Living in a new country is not about being perfect. It is about being patient. Patient with the language, patient with mistakes, patient with yourself. If you are learning English, maybe you feel the same way. Maybe you understand 60%. Maybe you feel nervous when speaking. This is normal. Progress in English is slow, but slow progress is still progress. My first week in the UK was not perfect, but it was the beginning of growth. And beginnings are always uncomfortable. Thank you for listening. If you enjoy slow and simple English stories, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.